మాట్లాడదాం మనతో పాటు ఇంకా విద్యార్థులు ఉన్నారు సపోర్ట్ చేయడానికి చాలా మంది వచ్చారు వాళ్ళతో కూడా మాట్లాడదాం. సో హౌ యూ విల్ సీ ఎస్టర్డే ద ఇన్సిడెంట్ విచ్ హస్ హ్యాపెండ్ అట్ in Jantar Mantar nearby Parliament? How what do you want to say about that?
I want to say that whatever happened there was very brutal. The police brutality was something that was visible, especially when the protests were peaceful. You could see that the students were actually pleading. They got down on their knees. They were holding flowers in their hands. And they were even clapping and encouraging. And I've seen even during the nights, they were fanning the policemen over there because they realize how they have also been standing over there. But given all this kind of love and compassion within the students, I don't think they deserve that kind of treatment. That said, I understand there is lack of permission, but that is not how you respond with. And if students are gathering at such large numbers, it is the responsibility of the state to come out and listen to them. If you don't want them to get all the lathis, if you don't want them to violate the laws, then come and speak to them. They will not have to violate the laws. They just want to speak to you. I mean, why has the government become so unreachable? It's a democratic state. Governments are not gods that they become absolutely unreachable.
And they are saying that the youth of India, so the people who are protesting there, they are misleading. They are misleading by some other people like Pakistan agents, and some are funding by Chinese agents. They are saying like that. So what do you want to say?
Those are just speculation. Unless there are substantial proofs, you cannot bring those allegations. That said, everyone's clear purpose is to stand for the students and bring improvement and accountability especially. I also want to mention, people are telling us that arrests have happened, so what more accountability you want? Arrests are not accountability. It is the duty of the government to arrest if there are corruption charges. Accountability is transparency and apologies to the families that have lost children, and a clear transparency into how many leaks have happened, how many children have been affected by it, and how many careers have been affected. That is true accountability, I guess. And right now, since we have been asking and asking and asking and we got no response, all that escalation has led to a point where we are asking for a resignation. At this point, the accountability is only resignation from the education minister.